Have you seen the latest renders of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? If not, you're in for a treat. Samsung has just dropped some stunning new visuals of their upcoming flagship and are already causing a buzz. But these aren't just any renders. These images reveal some exciting changes that could make the S25 Ultra the most talked about smartphone of 2025. From its sleek new design to the jaw-dropping display, there's a lot to unpack here. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end of this video because we'll also dive into the anticipated release date, which might be sooner than you think. Let's get started. New renders overview. So what do these new renders tell us about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Well, for starters, they offer a glimpse into Samsung's vision for its next big release. The images reveal a device that's not just an upgrade, but a bold reimagining of the Galaxy Ultra series. The sleek design and premium finish scream innovation. It's clear that Samsung is pushing the boundaries, and these renders are our first taste of what's to come. As we dive deeper, you'll see how these visuals hint at some major design changes that could redefine the Galaxy experience. Design changes. One of the most noticeable changes is the shift toward a more rounded design. Unlike the sharper edges of the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra adopts a smoother, more ergonomic shape. This new look not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold, but also gives it a modern, sophisticated vibe. It's a subtle yet significant change that could appeal to those who found the previous design a bit too angular. The rounded edges might also contribute to a better overall user experience, making the S25 Ultra feel as good in your hand as it looks. Larger screen. Now let's talk about that screen. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a massive 6.86-inch display, making it one of the largest screens Samsung has ever put on a phone. But it's not just about size. The bezels have been slimmed down even further, giving you more screen real estate and even more immersive experience. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, this screen promises to deliver crisp, vibrant visuals that pull you right in. It's the kind of display that makes everything you do on your phone feel more engaging. Processor. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. This isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a leap forward in processing power and efficiency. Expect faster performance, smoother multitasking, and improved battery life. Whether you're running demanding apps, playing graphics-intensive games, or just going about your daily tasks, this processor is designed to handle it all with ease. Samsung is clearly aiming to make the S25 Ultra not just a beautiful device, but a powerful one too. Camera improvements. Of course, no Samsung Ultra phone is complete without a top-tier camera system, and the S25 Ultra is expected to take things up a notch. While specific details are still under wraps, the buzz is that we'll see significant improvements in both hardware and software. This can mean better low-light performance, enhanced zoom capabilities, and even more AI-driven features that make it easier to capture stunning photos and videos. If you're a photography enthusiast or just love snapping pics on the go, the S25 Ultra's camera might just become your new best friend. Release date. So can you get your hands on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? The current rumors point to an early 2025 release. While we don't have an exact date yet, it's likely that Samsung will follow its usual launch schedule, which means we could see this device hit the shelves in the first quarter of the year. As always, the anticipation will build as we get closer to the launch, so keep an eye out for more updates. And if you're as excited as we are, you won't want to miss any of the news leading up to the big day.